Friends, good day. I would like to dedicate this video to the options board and options calculators of the AE terminal. One of our subscribers advised us to make an options board like the other exchanges. But I believe that you shouldn't make it like other exchanges. You should make it better than other exchanges. This is my credo that I have been carrying for many years. Most likely, that subscriber did not open our terminal and did not go deep into studying the platform. But we will go deeper now. We open the options board of the AE web terminal. The web version has fewer windows and it will be easier to show there. The options board is a calculator at the same time. Here you can add as many option series as you want to make all the necessary calculations with them. Here you can set the price of the asset, the number of futures, and then all the Greeks, margin requirements will be calculated. You can add your volatility curves here if you enter offline mode. You can change volatility values, number of option contracts, and then all theoretical prices, potential prices, and so on will be calculated. In a classic options board, all data is arranged vertically. To the right are put options and to the left are call options. From top to bottom follow series after series. The first week, the second week, the next month, and so on. In this drop-down box you can select the series you want. In such an ordinary options board, the possibilities for making calculations are limited. Here you can compare put and call options very conveniently. But if you need to compare put options with put options of different series, it is inconvenient. Now we return to the desktop terminal and its horizontal options board. In this drop-down box, you can select the option series you want. Here we have put options at the top and call options at the bottom. Let's take, for example, a put option in the money at strike 37,500. And you can compare the prices immediately. 808 is this week's price, 1,230 is next week's price is 1,560. This way you can compare the options as you like. It is possible to switch to volatility mode, and all bids and asks can be compared by volatility. The regular options/calculator, which is available on all stock terminals and AE web terminal, allows you to compare call options with put options of the same series. But comparing options of different series, searching for strikes here, then here, it's not very convenient. It is most convenient to compare in the desktop terminal. You can do the same in the options calculator. Let's count them. 1, 2, 4, and the option strategies monitor can be counted for 5. We have 5 option calculators. Strategy calculator, spread calculator. You will not find this in any other terminal. So, let's open the vertical option calculator. Let's add a series. For example, Bitcoin. In this calculator, we can see any data possible. We can add Vega, Theta, Gamma, any Greeks we're interested in. Call options are displayed on the left, put options are displayed on the right. We can open up multiple of these calculators, arrange them as we like. This will be an advanced options board that is different from the others. Of course, you can change all the calculations here, like date, asset price, IV of options, if you edit first, of course. Next, I really like to use a horizontal option calculator rather than a vertical one. With the vertical calculator, you can conveniently compare call and put options. But in the horizontal calculator, you can, for example, compare call options of different series with each other. So you can choose the calculator you are most comfortable with. You can change all the numbers and data in this calculator too. The next calculator is the custom calculator. It is a unique thing. With this calculator, you will be able to work with options of totally different series, different assets, puts and calls. It doesn't matter. Doge, Ether, Matic. The custom calculator allows you to keep track of these various options in one window. Compare them and make the calculations you need. Here, you can also change all the data from price to volatility. Working with one window is easier than switching between many different windows. Using the GM calculation button, you can calculate all margin requirements. The next unique calculator is the option spread calculator. You can add any option to it, then select futures, for example. By changing the ratios, we can go from vertical spreads to ratio spreads. On the right will be call spreads and on the left will be put spreads. Double-clicking on the spread we need will open its chart. Ratio, call, spread. If you want to open a strategy like spread, in this calculator you will be able to compare them among themselves and choose the one that suits you better by market price, last price, and so on. And the final calculator is the strategy calculator. I made a video about the option strategy monitor once. By adding the option you want, you will be able to see more than 20 known strategies, which you can add and edit as you like. Here you can even work with calendar strategies. For example, a calendar put spread. Double-click and see the chart of this strategy. You can change option series, expected market conditions, bull, bearish, neutral, limited risk or unlimited risk, time premium, positive or negative. After applied changes, all strategies will be sorted and you will get your dream strategy. Here are the neutral strategies. Here are the bullish strategies. You can compare all these strategies and choose the one that suits you. Such opportunities will not be offered to you by any of today's big brokers. The AE terminal is made specially for option traders, and all these features are available always. Thanks to these features, AE Exchange beats all the platforms that exist today. Let me remind you that you can open several calculators and arrange them in the workspace so that it would be convenient for you to make calculations and comparisons. All open windows are displayed here, and you can close the windows you don't need from this menu. As always, ask questions in the comments. If this video was useful to you, put a like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you good luck and successful options trading.